So, hey guys, welcome back to jadecraft. And if you wonder how I have all of these, it's because off camera I was chopping down some trees. It took me several hours to finish, and I built that lovely home over there, if you can see that thing. And while I was chopping down trees, I randomly found this random thing spawned down in my area. So today I decided that I want to go check it out. Now I did find a lot of these puddles around. That's where I collected nearly all my glass. And the dye from the flowers is where I painted the glass. So that's how I really did my house pink window with heart. Well, I do have a pink heart window in it. You really haven't seen it yet. But hey, this is jadecraft episode number 2. So, hope you really did enjoy my singing vlog episodes. Oh, and I turned my cheats off right now, so no cheats. And it is going night. That's what happens when there's no cheats on. And I think in here I'll be safe as sound. Now, I don't know if anything has spawned in your. Oh, I think this is safe for now. Ooh, there's an elytra and some diamonds. I'm just taking everything in here, really. Some magical food, a magical potato. Oh, they're not magical. It's just a crossbow. A crossbow. What is this? Yeah, here. I am dying. I am living for this. Wow. Whoa. Why wouldn't I love this? Let's just collect it all. Jeez. God, why? Well, I'm collecting nearly all of it. This is my second episode, and I've literally got diamonds and an elytra. I don't think, not even, I don't know if anyone else has done this, but, oh my god, okay, I'm gonna try and fly. Okay, don't blame me if I fail this thing. And I might fall to my, oh my gosh! This is perfect. Now let's go on top of a tree. Woohoo! I can't do this. That was pretty high. I'm glad to see that I've actually got it. Then not have this, because that was a pretty special thing, and I don't think any mobs are spawning yet. Oh, my hunger bar isn't going. Well, obviously it's gone 3 minutes, so it would go night by now. And yeah, my headphones are literally filling up with the thing noise of when I kept saying. Now I may return home. And I also found this cave. I think it also has tons of gold. That's what people said to me. Well, that's what Paris said to me. She found one of those caves before, and it had tons of gold, iron, and coal, and it had diamonds, very easily. I don't know, but she's past one. Oh, the light is going down. So I'm just gonna save that really fast. What? You can actually... Wait a minute. So, you're saying now, I'm gonna get tons of diamonds, like, right now. Seriously, I've never ever gotten diamonds of survival before. I think YouTube helps sometimes to get diamonds because you just do dares from the comments down below. But I haven't even gotten comments. But sometimes you just want to do dares and then, I don't know, kind of just get the stuff. So I think that's why I recall on YouTube is doing well. And sorry I was moved on the last jadecraft episode. I promise I won't do that ever again. I look what I'm doing next time. So yeah, I made my house more proof so nothing will come in. Yeah, like totally nothing. Okay, so now, as you can see, my precious diamonds need to go in my chest for this adventure. And I think as well my crossbow and my arrows. Everything I really don't need is going in here because they're all useless. Okay, now we just put our food in there. And now we're ready to go. Now this is, Paris spotted one of these before, I think. They literally spawned right next to you. And I don't think these have any mobs, like at all. Don't worry, there are mobs in this world. It's just they've spawned in a really good place, so... Well, I think... Tell you what, guys, there won't be... I don't know if there'll be mobs, because I'm just playing Minecraft Education. Don't worry, Minecraft Education is the same, value thing for diamonds, and it's the same way you find diamonds. Just go mining. So there's nothing different really except the mobs, I think. I'm gonna try and make a stone pick right now. Oh, come on. I don't tell you what, we're going to chop down trees. Yeah, we're going to chop down trees at the moment. I'll try to keep accidentally using my elytra light. I mean, it is pretty good. Cool. It's just, why do I keep using this? Oh, shoot. I should have brought my wood. I think this will probably be enough. Yeah, here. Let's just take a... Oh, okay, this is nice. Now I do have some cobblestone. Oh, I need a crafting table to make that, I think, I guess. Yeah, I do. Okay, so guys, I thought that was something again, but I finally made enough wood for a crafting table. For my crafting table. Okay, so now here's a crafting table. And now I could just... This is wood for the diamonds, really. I'm not sure what this is supposed to be. But I mean, I guess it's worth it for the diamonds, huh? And I think I'll be getting some golden upgrades. Really? First of all, shout out to John Cree 9000. Paris on my channel, where we just share together as well. It's our second channel. And also, thanks Paris for the advice and telling me what this is. I really appreciate it. And yes, it is Minecraft education mode, so they probably won't appear in normal, regular Minecraft mode. But thanks anyway, Paris. We do play Minecraft education together. Just because I know. Oh, this must be the iron. Let's get the iron first of all, huh? So Paris did say around this level there should be some gold. Okay, so first of all, come on. But, well, I mean, could craft these, and now, I'm dumb. I'm dumb right now. No, I'm not. Still have it. Okay, so I don't know. Okay, now we just need to grab down a few more cobblestone, and now we can make a furnace. And now this furnace, as you can see, yes, this furnace, taking some of this and some coal. Okay, so now we got some iron, and now we need some more, just some more. Okay, now we need one more, and then we can finish off our collection. And then when we get the diamonds, guys, we'll end this video, really, because it's gone 12 minutes already, as you can see and tell. Basically. So now our final iron pickaxe. I mean, we could get diamonds out of this. Oh wait, and I found some obsidian for the next episode as well, really. So I think we could go mining now with, but I'll go mining with this, just in case I break that by accident. I think Paris said down by here should be the end. Really? I'll get back to you guys when I find it. Okay? Okay, so guys, I finally found these diamonds. I'm just gonna mine them. OMG. My precious diamonds. They're so precious. And while I was on the way, I got some gold. Ba ha ha ha.